Hey, what's up guys? This video is a little bit of a self-soothing, self-medicating sort of update. And that is that my computer is broken. And that's why I haven't been making videos lately. And this tends to happen every 2 or 3 years. And it's really frustrating, but you know, these things kind of happen and they have to be done and sorted with and stuff like that, and you never know. And the one thing that like super duper irks me is like you never know what it is, but I have some theories about what's going on here. So occasionally my computer would just lock up and freeze. Essentially, like the windows, you wouldn't be able to move the windows. You'd be able to move the mouse for a tiny bit, and then the mouse would freeze, and then it would stay like that, and then it would make a blue screen, and this would happen within the first 5 minutes, or it would happen within 5 hours, and it wouldn't make a crash dump file, and I was like, what the heck is going on here? And you know, I was looking at, you know, maybe it's my fire, maybe it's like an interrupt thing going on, maybe it's a RAM stick, maybe it's the video card dying, maybe it's the power supply, and it could very well be all those things. I started experiencing these freezes when Windows decided to update after I installed Ableton 10, and it's been happening more and more. So makes you think, if it crashes because seems to be happening more and more, there might be something going on. And you know, more and more after Windows continues to update, and I'm just like, what the heck is going on here? When I look in, there's a thing called an event viewer, and when you look in the event viewer, there's a critical kernel power, which means that the computer shut off without properly shutting down, and you know, that's what you look for. And then directly below it, there's a volume error saying unable to write dump file, which is always a clue. That means that there must be a hard drive situation. So what I did is I took out all my hard drives except my boot drive, and those things would still occur. And I was like, what's going on here? It's not able to write a dump file, and it's kind of not, you know, it's just not writing the dump file, and there's an error, it's not able to write it. And then directly before that, consistent the last 3 times that it's froze, or I think it's called a hang, it would reset the drive. It was like a RAID 0 error or whatever, and then it would reset it, and then it would check to see the drive's health automatically, and then that's when the volume error would occur. And I was like, what's going on here? And I did some digging, and there's a gajillion other people having this problem. And the problem, as far as I know, is that Windows is downloading generic drivers and overwriting them of the drivers supplied by my motherboard, which is by ASUS. And I was like, that's weird. So what I did was I did a full like a system restore with within Windows. Basically, it's not a restore point. I forget what it is. Basically, like it reinstalls Windows. And I tried that, and what that does that I didn't know is that it still has the drivers from before, which completely is pointless for what I wanted to accomplish here. So what I did is I'm just like, you know what? I'm just gonna completely reinstall Windows. I'm currently downloading it. It's gonna take 14 hours to download the rest of it. I'm about halfway done. That's just the internet where I live, and I'm gonna put that on a bootable USB stick, and I'm going to completely reinstall Windows, disable updates to drivers, make sure Windows cannot mess with the drivers, and then get the proper drivers from Intel, ASUS, all those things. I'm going to do that, and something tells me that that might fix the issue. If it does not, then I'm going to have to look at some other things. So what I'm doing right now is I'll show you. I'm doing something called a memory test. I got memtest 86, and I'm doing a couple passes where it basically checks every single address in your memory. I got 16 gigs. I know, get on my level, whatever. LOL. And now I ruled out RAM before, but I'm just doing it again. I'm gonna rule out the RAM if the RAM is an issue. And it's done. I've already done 4 passes. I'm doing 4 more, and I might do another 4 just in case. Here, I'll show you. Right. So you'll see pass 2 of 4. You can only do 4 at a time, and I've already done 4 so far. So 4, 5, and I'm on the 6th pass. And each pass kind of takes a half an hour, so whatever. But yeah, no errors thus far. Here's the machine in question. I keep it under my desk, just so it can hook up to everything. Ruled out any heat issues, dust issues. I keep it quite clean. I have not ruled out the graphics card, which is a GTX 970. I have an extra graphics card here to swap out to see if it is a graphics card issue. Who knows? I didn't get any NVIDIA crashes. And the frickin' the culprit, I think, is just bad drivers for the hard drives. The SAT HTCI things, whatever it is. I want to completely reinstall, prevent Windows from automatically updating the drivers. Like, do not touch the drivers. If you know, don't do that. And I want to have control over my drivers and just see if it works, because it worked before the update. But another thing that puzzles me is, why is it becoming more and more frequent? I think that's because things are getting corrupted on the hard drive that Windows was on. So I think it's best to just test the RAM to what I'm confident that it's completely good, just to rule that out. I've ruled out heat issues. From there, if it continues... Oh yeah. Make sure the BIOS is correct. Make sure the settings in the BIOS, the RAM timings, everything is appropriate. I dug this out. You know, this is the RAM, and I hope that it's. And I'll find out what timings the motherboard supports, and I hope it's not the RAM, because, you know, the RAM was really expensive, and it still is for some reason. DDR4 is really expensive. It was expensive when it came out, and it's still expensive. Anyway, I'll rule that out, and then I'll swap out the video card, see if that occurs still, and then I'm just going to get a new not new hard drive. Yeah, get a new hard drive also, because it might be the hard drive, even though I did an Intel test. It's an Intel SSD. I'll test that to see if there's errors. If not, I'm going to get the power supply changed out, because power supply, after they get, you know, not good anymore, they can cause freezes if things don't get enough power. I've ran Intel burn test and Furmark at the same time under extreme loads, and it still works well. Other than that, then it's motherboard or something going on with how I'm setting everything up. Yeah, but I'm gonna slowly rule it out. And what else? That's basically it. I think because it was an original Windows 10 release that was updated again and again through all the major updates, and then it was restored, or like not restored. What's the? It's where you. It's like a reinstall of Windows, but within Windows, which makes me think that it's not a full reinstall. Anyway, so yep. After this, I'm gonna completely do a slow format of the drive, just because. Install Windows 10 on it, and then see if these crashes still occur. It could be the video card. That's just something I got to deal with. I have another one. You know, everyone freaking mining Bitcoin, so video cards are expensive. Who knows? But yeah. Anyway, this is the update one. I will let you know how things are going. Still no errors. So yeah, we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there together, and then I'm going to start videos again. But until then, computer problems. These things happen. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care and have a good one.